Hey, what is going on, everybody? This is Chad Henry for you here at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia, and right now I'm really excited. I'm usually really excited, but today I'm really excited. We've got this 2018 Chevrolet Suburban LT package, four-wheel drive, that we got, and it was completely stock other than the meaty tires that are put on it. Had a little bit of condensation in the driver's side headlight, and type of person I am, I'm not just gonna replace that headlight. This thing was already in excellent shape, beautiful paint. The interior is super clean. As you can see, we've already upgraded the headlights to the LED with all the black housing and the black trim on the top, the black grille, and then put the American flag there and the bow tie. And so of course that front end already looks so much tougher and cleaner. And then the chrome window trim has been wrapped black to delete all of that. That's all this part here. Turned out really nice. And check out this paint. The paint is stunning. A 2018, and this truck has 156,000 miles on it. You would never ever know it. Looking at it, riding it, driving it, just very impressive. It does have its little marks on it here and there, and I'll show you throughout the video. For instance, a little mark there on the bumper, a little bit of road rash on the front bumper corner there on this side. The hood's in excellent shape, a couple of places on the top, but nothing hateful at all. We also had the front windows tinted to 35%. Now, I prefer doing these videos outside because they show everything better. However, the reflection of the paint inside is showing pretty daggone well right now. But if you can't hear it, it's raining pretty loud on this metal building. So here we go with another upgrade that we did. We put the Cadillac style taillights in that, you know, the factory lights come up to here and they're red. These have the black housing LED and of course Virginia state legal. Now the history report shows this as a one owner vehicle. Looks like it was registered in Florida, but it was serviced in Northern Virginia, so it looks like it was from Northern Virginia its whole life. It does show one accident on the history report, and I have yet to find any paintwork on it where it has been repaired or fixed in any way. All the body lines are perfect, and it says that it was on this corner, so the driver's side rear, in which all of this looks like factory paint to me. I don't see any swirls or trash in the paint or runs or drips. All of the wheels are in really good shape. As you can see on this side, the paint's awesome. A couple little thin scratches here and there, but an 18, so 7-year-old truck. And then of course for the miles on it, I don't think you're gonna find 2- and 3-year-old vehicles that are in better physical shape than this one here. So again, I mentioned the condensation that was in this headlight, and you can see where it had been rubbed right there in that corner. And so I think it cracked the headlight here just a touch, but no dents in the body, and you can't even hardly see these little scuffs until you get right up on it. So really impressive truck. And we'll show you the inside of it. This is again the LT package, but this is very well loaded up. Power folding mirrors and then memory driver seat. And look at the condition. Again, 156,000 miles. Yes, I realize that is some mileage for a 2018. Definitely above average, but this is definitely above average condition. So again, four-wheel drive. It does have remote start. You got your tilt and telescopic steering wheel, heated steering wheel, cruise control. $623. As you can see, no warning lights on the dash except the seat belt, and your headlamps are on. I'm gonna cut that off so we don't get the carbon dioxide all in the shop here. Don't need to be passing out today. Of course, Bluetooth. That's got a nice setup. Does have navigation. Does have backup camera. All your climate controls down here, and you have driver and passenger side. And then of course your rear climate control, heated seats. All right, let me shut that down. Armrest in good condition here. You got your remote for the dual televisions in the back. USB and adapters there. Owner's manual right there in the box. And of course your power sunroof. Now this truck has the rear bench seat in the back of it rather than the captain's controls or captain's chairs. And in excellent shape. And you've got your rear HVAC and heated seat there. Got your first TV is here. And then the second one is here for the third row. It does have a remote hatch, and then of course the button there on the handle, and then it has the power folding seats as well. So you have the third row power folding and then the second row as well. So we'll get this third row first. So both sides do that, and then of course the second row. So if you ever need easy access, if you got a lot of cargo that you're throwing in there, makes it pretty simple. Oh yeah, and we got to turn these lights on so you can check those out. This thing looks super sweet with these lights. It just, these it was kind of a fun project, and not too difficult to do. But we spent some money on it and made this a completely different vehicle. It was in great shape before. Just that from that one headlamp changed everything. So, but we do that often. I'm a car guy. If you can't tell from the video and the other cars laying around here in this shop, you know, we can't seem to leave well enough alone. But either way, we have it for you here at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia, 3203 Victory Boulevard. You can call or text me directly at 757-676-4444. Got financing available, warranty is included, and top dollar for your trade. We can also handle and help arrange shipping and delivery. So give us a call today. We look forward to hearing from you, and thanks as always for watching.